Good morning, sociologists. I hope you're doing okay today. I know you just turned in a big paper, and I know that that was a lot of work. So I want to congratulate you on getting it done, and I hope the self-exploration was okay. Sometimes writing about ourselves is really fun, and sometimes it brings stuff up. So I hope that you did what you needed to do in order to take care of yourself, and that you put together something that will be a good piece of information that hopefully you can hold on to. Hopefully these sorts of self-explorations are things that we can keep in our files and look back on. It's kind of fun. I think it's really neat that there's the ability to save things, digitally now, so you don't have to carry around a box full of your old papers. But hang on to it and visit it in a few years and think about what's changed and what's still the same in terms of you and your socialization. So moving into the next section, societies and social interaction, looking at large scale and small scale ways in which we become human is what we're going to be doing this week. You have another assignment. It's very different than the assignment that you had last week. In addition to your regular post, which will be on societies and social interaction, which you're already looking at because it's Monday and I waited a day later than normal to post this, so you can see this anyways, but this is what you'll be posting, right? And so you'll look at Durkheim, which is macro, and conflict theory. Those are both macro level analyses of society that are covered in the chapter. And then you'll look at what symbolic interactionists do, who are microsociologists, and then the social construction of reality, which hopefully you'll read a bit about, and then you'll have a better idea of what that means. But if we think about things being real or not, what we understand is that a lot of things are socially constructed. And yet we do a lot of kind of monitoring and maintaining of these realities in just our everyday behavior and our actions. And so it's kind of a fun topic in my mind. So hopefully you'll enjoy reading about it and thinking about it. And then let me show you this paper, because this paper can be all sorts of things. It doesn't have to be a paper. I hope you read the part highlighted in yellow that says have fun. It's short. It can be a lot of different things, but as you can see, mine is a collage. And I literally mean have fun with this, okay? I just talked about me in terms of my ethnic identity and some other stuff that happened in my life that were salient for me. But you can do whatever you want. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to listen to the clip by my colleague, Dr. Boyd. And so we were grad school friends, and this is kind of one of his theoretical models. And so what you're going to do is, this is the assignment, obviously, and this is a piece of his art, because he's also an artist, and then he kind of does a little talk that goes along with it. And then you will find the place to upload it in this module as well. So here's the thing that you click on, and then here is the self and context paper. Okay, so some of you send me messages, oh, I can't find something. So when you come to a module, right, every week there's a different module. I need you to look at every item in the module, because there might be an assignment, there might be information that you need in order to post in the discussion post, etc. And then I put an extra form in here this week for anyone that wants to share their discussions. And so I'd love it. Well, it says I already loved the different ways you responded, but I didn't love them yet because they didn't happen. But I want you to be able to post yours if you want to share it with the class. And that's absolutely up to you, okay? But sometimes some of the assignments get only to me, and I think that it would be neat if the class could share them. But of course, it's only if you want to. So that's what's happening for this week. I hope all is well in your world, and I will be reading those socialization papers this week and hopefully getting back to you soon. All right, email me with questions. Come see me in person if you're ever on campus, and take good care. Okay, bye-bye.